Jack, what are you doing? Look at this.
I'm doing the Corvette engine.
Nice.
Putting the bearings in now.
Good.
Just like so.
You gonna make a video on sliding a couple of bearings in?
Actually, do you know how to check the clearance of the bearings?
Do I know how to check the clearance on it? I wish I could forget. Yeah, I know how to check the clearance. Hey, don't you think you're gonna show me? Show them. Don't show me.
I don't put the assembly lube because it's sticky. It doesn't work with oil.
You know, some low clearances, they don't want you using assembly lube.
Yeah.
You know that?
I wasn't a very big fan of assembly lube. I mean,
Right.
you might need it in other cases depending on what it is, but in this case, I'm not going to use it.
It's okay to use, it's fine, but you know. Oh, you're all out?
Yep.
That's good oil in there too.
Okay, now I'm just going to clean the top. Fold it nicely. Just like that, see? All over the bench, you got spit everywhere.
Listen, stop complaining, there's no spit.
Beautiful. You got an arrow on each bearing cap of which way this has to go on, towards the front of the engine. Now, when I did my Scirocco engine, these were not numbered.
You can still tell.
You can still tell,
because
but you
the
still gotta
tongue
be careful.
of the bearing, the little piece that's off to the side that kind of locks it in place. On the block, it's on this side. Let's say the new bearing going in is supposed to be on the opposite side, on the same side.
Yeah. Exactly.
All right, you want to
Alright,
crank
so
it now?
gotta put the crank. Now, we all know,
Yeah.
I know, that you know, that the cameraman knows.
Who knows what the who?
The cameraman's disappointed.
Again.
You
What
can't
happened
find a 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. T-tops.
Oh no, you can find them.
No, but like for $52,000.
The problem is that after you buy the ones that I'm finding, you walk around like this. Oh! For the rest of your life.
I
don't
wish.
want to do that.
It's not even that. It's like the beginning of Trading Places on the cart. No legs, remember? Start walking around like that could cut your legs off completely.
Don't do that.
No.
All right, ready?
So if any of you people know or have a 79 Trans Am for the cameraman, let her know him. Turn it. You want these facing down.
It doesn't matter.
You want these facing. That's how
Come
I
on.
put it in.
All right, wait. Up. You gotta pick it up. Okay.
This is the clay.
We have kind of sometimes our own terms for these things. What is this
We
called?
call it clay. This is what?
This is the clay. Plastic gauge.
Plastic
Clearance
gauge.
indicator.
So you take your plastic gauge, clay is what we call it, put it long ways, just like that. Whoops. Take your cap, clean where the bearing goes. Take your bearing. Okay, no oil. Clean it. And then so very carefully put it in like this. Very, very gentle. This towards the front of the
Got an arrow, that's right. All right, start snugging those up. I'll put this last one on.
We need to torque them after.
You got new timing sprockets and all that stuff for this?
Mm-hmm. Dual chain.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the cam sprocket and the main sprocket.
Some people don't torque them, they just tighten them. I like to torque them.
It's the most exercise he's gotten in a while.
Now, take them off.
Hercules, Hercules.
Gentle. Here.
What do we got?
I like it so far.
Oh,
So,
it's beautiful.
it looks beautiful. The plastic gauge, where the clay comes in, has measurements on both sides. One side is metric, and one side is inches.
You're at 002.
I'm at 002.
Any one of these will work. 001,
I do not like.
I don't like 01.
Too tight,
The fatter the thing gets, the less clearance you have.
which I don't like.
The
I like.
skinnier, the more you have.
Be-
So you're
honestly,
supposed to be between,
I like 002. That's my nickname.
it says between 0015 and between 002 is usually
The best.
bing, right in the middle.
This is 002, the green. See? Now, obviously, check them all one by one.
What are you doing now?
I'm taking the clay off. And then
That
this-
stuff's not easy to get off usually.
Check for the arrow.
Spin it. Should spin perfectly free. Turning free? Beautiful, huh?
Gorgeous. It's
Good.
it's not even good. It's beyond. Look at this. So don't forget, anytime you get new bearings, there's a coating on it.
That
It's
comes
good
off.
though. It's good.
Right on
It's
the money.
perfect.
All right, now you can move on. You got your rings, you got your bearings. Now you got to put everything together, and that's it. And like we always say on Giuseppe's Garage, taking over the world.
One set of bearings at a time.